Are you suffering with diabetes from long time? You might use many medicines and treatments. If you want to cure diabetes by simple and natural ways, then watch this full video. Here is a juice for diabetes. This juice rich in vitamins and minerals, which helps to reduce blood sugar levels in the body. Kiwi green apple juice. For this juice we need kiwi, green apple, lemon. Kiwi is a great antioxidant, rich in vitamin C, reduces stress. It is a soluble fiber. Kiwi reduces constipation. It helps in fuel retention and keeps you hydrated always. Kiwi is very digestive. It improves blood circulation, lowers cholesterol, keeps blood sugar levels in control. Green apple. Green apple is a main source of flavonoids, rich in vitamin C. It regulates blood pressure. A green apple with empty stomach helps you to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is very important for diabetic patients. Green apple prevents diabetes. It is rich in potassium, which keeps heart healthy. Lemon juice. Lemon is a great antioxidant. It is used to enhance the taste of the drink. Let's start the process. Place a juicer jar. Place green apple pieces. Kiwi pieces. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. Finally, a glass of water. Now start blending. Take the juice into a glass. Kiwi apple juice is ready. Kiwi green apple juice. Have juice regularly to cure diabetes. This is a great, refreshing, delicious, healthy juice that keeps you energetic and sugar-free. Have spinach juice daily to kill diabetes. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.